Welcome to our comprehensive guide on America's most trusted hunting calibers in 2025. Today we're counting down the top 5 cartridges that have proven themselves in the field year after year. These calibers have earned their reputation through consistent performance, reliability, and versatility across various hunting scenarios. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just getting started, understanding these calibers will help you make informed decisions for your next hunting adventure. Number 5. 7mm Remington Magnum. The 7mm Remington Magnum stands as one of the most versatile hunting cartridges available today, offering exceptional performance across a wide range of hunting situations. Introduced in the 1960s, this caliber has maintained its popularity through decades of proven field success. The round delivers impressive flat trajectory, combined with substantial energy retention at extended distances, making it suitable for both medium and large game hunting. Hunters appreciate its ability to handle everything from deer to elk with consistent results. The 7mm Remington Magnum generates velocities that translate into ethical harvests at ranges where other calibers might struggle. Its sectional density provides excellent penetration through heavy bone and muscle tissue. The cartridge performs exceptionally well in open country hunting situations where longer shots are common. Many professional guides trust this caliber for their clients pursuing trophy animals. The round's ballistic coefficient allows it to maintain velocity downrange better than many competing cartridges. Recoil is manageable for most shooters with proper technique and equipment. The 7mm Remington Magnum continues proving itself as a reliable choice for serious hunters who demand consistent performance in challenging conditions. Pros: excellent long-range performance with flat trajectory. Versatile for multiple game species from deer to elk. Wide selection of quality rifles chambered in this caliber. Cons: higher recoil compared to smaller hunting calibers. Barrel life may be shorter due to higher pressures. Louder report requires proper hearing protection. Number 4. 270 Winchester. The 270 Winchester represents a time-tested hunting caliber that has earned respect across generations of American hunters since its introduction nearly a century ago. This cartridge delivers outstanding performance on medium to large game with relatively moderate recoil characteristics. The round's velocity and trajectory make it particularly effective for hunting in varied terrain from mountains to plains. Countless successful hunts have been recorded with this caliber across North America. The 270 Winchester offers excellent accuracy potential in quality rifles, allowing hunters to place shots precisely where needed. Its sectional density provides reliable penetration on game animals of appropriate size. The cartridge has proven especially popular among deer hunters who appreciate its effectiveness without excessive recoil. Many hunters consider this caliber the perfect balance between power and shootability. The 270 Winchester maintains sufficient energy at practical hunting distances for ethical harvests. Factory loads are readily available in numerous bullet weights and designs for different hunting applications. The round's reputation for accuracy has made it a favorite among those who value precision. Experienced hunters often recommend this caliber to newcomers seeking a capable, all-around hunting cartridge. The 270 Winchester continues demonstrating why it has remained relevant through changing hunting trends and technological advancements. Pros: moderate recoil allows for better shot placement and comfort. Excellent performance on deer-sized game animals. Long-established track record of hunting success. Cons: may be marginal for the largest North American game. Not as commonly found internationally as some alternatives. Rifle selection somewhat limited compared to more popular calibers. Number 3. 30-06 Springfield. The 30-06 Springfield holds legendary status among American hunting calibers with over a century of proven performance in both military and sporting applications. This cartridge offers remarkable versatility, capable of handling virtually any game animal in North America with proper bullet selection. The round's widespread availability and extensive factory load options make it accessible to hunters everywhere. Its ballistic performance provides effective range for most hunting scenarios hunters typically encounter. The 30-06 Springfield delivers sufficient energy for ethical harvests on game ranging from white-tailed deer to moose and bear. Hunters value its proven reliability across diverse weather conditions and hunting environments. The cartridge's moderate recoil and properly weighted rifles allows most shooters to develop proficiency with practice. Many families have passed down rifles in this caliber through generations, testament to its enduring effectiveness. The 30-06 Springfield maintains excellent accuracy potential when paired with quality firearms and optics. Its flexibility in bullet weights from light to heavy accommodates different hunting situations. Professional hunters worldwide recognize this caliber's capability for serious hunting applications. The round's sectional density ensures adequate penetration on large-bodied game animals. The 30-06 Springfield continues earning trust as a reliable choice for hunters who need one caliber that can handle diverse hunting challenges. Pros: exceptional versatility for nearly all North American game. Widely available in numerous rifle platforms and styles. Extensive selection of factory loads for every hunting situation. Cons: recoil can be stout for smaller framed shooters. Not the flattest shooting option for extreme distances. Rifles may be heavier than those in smaller calibers. Number 2. 6.5 Creedmoor. The 6.5 Creedmoor has rapidly gained popularity among American hunters, establishing itself as one of the most effective hunting calibers despite its relatively recent introduction. This cartridge offers exceptional accuracy potential, combined with impressive ballistic performance that rivals much larger rounds. The round's efficient design delivers outstanding trajectory with notably less recoil than traditional hunting calibers. Hunters appreciate its effectiveness on medium game while remaining comfortable to shoot during practice sessions. The 6.5 Creedmoor maintains velocity and energy downrange through its high ballistic coefficient bullets. Its popularity has resulted in widespread availability of rifles, components, and factory loads across the market. The caliber performs exceptionally well for hunters who prioritize precise shot placement over raw power. Many competitive shooters have transitioned to hunting with this round, bringing match-grade accuracy to the field. The 6.5 Creedmoor's sectional density provides reliable penetration despite its smaller diameter. Hunters report excellent results on deer-sized game at distances where accuracy matters most. The cartridge's efficiency translates to less felt recoil, allowing shooters to spot their impacts through the scope. Its manageable characteristics make it suitable for shooters who might struggle with heavier recoiling calibers. The 6.5 Creedmoor continues proving that modern cartridge design can deliver exceptional hunting performance with shooter-friendly characteristics. Pros: minimal recoil promotes better accuracy and faster follow-up shots. Outstanding long-range accuracy with modern bullet designs. Growing popularity ensures wide availability of rifles and supplies. Cons: may be inadequate for the largest game species. Smaller bullet diameter provides less margin for error. Relatively new caliber lacks decades of field-proven history. Number 1. 308 Winchester. The .308 Winchester claims the top position as America's most dominant hunting caliber in 2025, combining proven performance with unmatched versatility and availability. This cartridge has earned its reputation through decades of consistent success in hunting applications across North America and worldwide. The round delivers effective performance on game ranging from medium to large size with reliable terminal ballistics. Hunters value its moderate recoil characteristics that allow for comfortable shooting during extended practice sessions and in the field. The 308 Winchester offers exceptional accuracy potential in quality rifles, making precise shot placement achievable for most shooters. Its widespread military and law enforcement use has resulted in extensive development of bullet designs and factory loads. The caliber performs reliably in various weather conditions and hunting environments from forests to open country. Rifles chambered in 308. Winchester are available in every style and price range, ensuring options for every hunter. The round's efficiency provides adequate power without the excessive recoil of Magnum cartridges. Professional hunters and guides frequently choose this caliber for its dependable performance on important hunts. The 308 Winchester maintains sufficient energy at practical hunting distances for ethical harvests on appropriate game. Its popularity ensures that supplies remain readily available even during shortages. The 308 Winchester stands as the proven, trusted, and truly unstoppable choice for American hunters who demand reliability. Pros: moderate recoil makes it suitable for all skill levels. Universal availability in rifles, parts, and factory loads. Proven effectiveness on a wide variety of game species. Cons: not optimal for extreme long-range hunting scenarios. Performance may be marginal on the largest dangerous game. Shorter effective range compared to Magnum calibers. Thank you for joining us on this countdown of America's top hunting calibers for 2025. Each of these cartridges has proven itself through years of reliable performance in the field. Remember that the best caliber is the one you shoot accurately and confidently. Consider your specific hunting needs, local game species, and shooting comfort when making your choice. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your next hunting season. Stay safe in the field, practice regularly, and always hunt ethically and responsibly. Don't forget to check your local regulations before heading out. Happy hunting, and we'll see you on the next one.